Hey, sun's coming up in Chicago. We got a busy start to our Thursday morning. Remember those Fed minutes we talked about yesterday? Came out yesterday afternoon, signaling that the Fed is potentially looking to accelerate their tapering of bond purchases, so effectively removing some of that stimulus from the economy. What are we seeing this morning on the heels of that? Markets are getting hit hard. Dow Jones down over 300 right now. S&Ps are getting hit. Look over at the commodities. Oil getting crushed, down 3.5% right now, trading around $63 a barrel in WTI. Over in FX, we're seeing the dollar hit multi-month highs. We're right at that 1.17, about to break down and hit that 1.16 handle in the euro dollar. So big move there. A lot of activity this morning. Looks like it's going to shape up to be a volatile day, which what does that mean for you Nadex traders? It means short-term opportunities. So let's get in there today. Let's get after it. Have a great Thursday. I'll see you tomorrow.